The world's newest and biggest space telescope has released photos showing unprecedented views of Jupiter, the solar system's biggest planet. Scientists released the shots captured by the James Webb Space Telescope in July, showing Jupiter's northern and southern lights and swirling polar haze. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm big enough to swallow Earth, stands out brightly alongside countless smaller storms. One wide-field picture is particularly dramatic, showing the faint rings around the planet, as well as two tiny moons against a glittering background of galaxies. The infrared images were artificially colored in blue, white, green, yellow and orange, according to the US-French research team, to make the features stand out. Scientists hope to behold the dawn of the universe with Webb, peering all the way back to when the first stars and galaxies were forming 13.7 billion years ago. The observatory is positioned 1.6 million kilometers from Earth,